Welcome back to Brainwave PM. In our last video, we covered what a product manager really does using the cake analogy. And today, we are going to dig deeper into the core responsibilities of a product manager. And we'll see what makes this role so crucial to the product success. Let's go in. Let's break it down in four main areas: vision and strategy, collaboration, execution, and feedback. Each of these is essential for ensuring product success. Now let's understand them in more detail. First up, defining the product vision and strategy. This is like setting the destination for our ship. The vision is high level overview of what do you want to achieve, while the strategy is the plan to get there. Let us understand this with an example. When Airbnb was started, the vision was to make it easy for the people to find unique places to stay around the world. While the strategy included creating a user friendly platform, building the trust through reviews, and attracting hosts with compelling incentives. To define vision and strategy, a PM needs to understand market needs, competitive landscape, and user pain points. This involves research, data analysis, and lot of brainstorming with the stakeholders. Next, let's talk about collaboration. A product manager works with various teams, that is, engineering, design, marketing, and sales. Imagine a symphony orchestra where each section must play in harmony. The PM is the conductor, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goal. For example, when developing a new feature for a mobile app, the PM will collaborate with the designers to ensure the great user experience, with engineers to build the feature, while with marketers to plan the launch. This coordination ensures the feature not only works well but also reaches the users effectively. The third responsibility is execution. This is where the planning and collaboration come together to bring the product to life. It involves managing timelines, resources, and ensuring everything is on track. Let us look at how Netflix expanded its streaming services. The PM had to oversee the development of streaming technology, negotiate the licensing agreements, and ensure a smooth user experience, all the while managing the deadlines and coordinating with the various teams. Flexibility and problem solving are the key skills here because effective execution also means solving problems as they arise and making adjustment based on the feedback received. Finally, the feedback and iteration. After the product is launched, the PM collects the user feedback, monitors the performance, and makes improvement. This is like fine tuning the cake recipe based on the taste test. Let's understand this with Instagram as an example. Initially, it was just a photo sharing app, but user feedback led to new features like stories and IGTV. The PM used this feedback to continuously enhance the product and meet the evolving user needs. Feedback can come from user reviews, analytics, or direct customer interactions. The goal is to keep improving the product to provide better value and stay competitive. And that's a closer look at core responsibilities of a product manager. From setting the vision to executing the plan and refining based on the feedback, PMs play a crucial role in bringing the successful products to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more PM insights. And lastly, leave your questions or thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching Brainwave PM. See you next time for more practical tips and deep dives into the world of product management.